In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize ElevenLabs for the best sound quality. Whether you're using ElevenLabs for professional voiceover work or personal projects, getting the voice just right can make all the difference. Let's dive into some key steps to make your ElevenLabs output sound impeccable. First, to enhance the richness and quality of sound, adjusting the voice settings is crucial. Two main parameters you want to focus on are stability and similarity. Stability determines how consistent the voice will be across different texts, while similarity ensures that your voice retains its character. By tweaking these settings, you can achieve a more natural and stable sound, ensuring your voiceover maintains the right tone and feel throughout. Next, let's talk about the model itself. If you're looking for more expressive and dynamic speech, switching to the latest V3 Alpha model is highly recommended. This version has been optimized to offer a broader range of expressiveness, which helps in achieving a more lifelike and engaging voice narration. Now, to refine the emotional and rhythmic nuances in your voiceover, consider using text tags. These tags allow for adjustments in emotion and include controls over pauses and emphasis. For instance, an ellipsis can subtly extend a pause, aiding in the delivery of points with more impact or suspense. Using punctuation thoughtfully can help emphasize key parts of your script, assisting in storytelling or emphasizing critical information. For those aiming to create realistic audio clones, the source material is key. Your source audio should be of high quality, clear, and devoid of any background noise. This clarity is vital because it ensures that the resulting voice output is clean and faithful to the original content. Aim for about 1 to 2 minutes of clean audio as your foundation. This duration typically provides enough data for the system to learn and replicate the nuances of the voice accurately. Remember, taking the time to prepare and optimize your source audio pays off significantly in the outcome, so it's worth paying attention to your recording environment. An echo-free room can make a big difference, reducing any unwanted reverberations or noise that might interfere with the clarity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can dramatically improve the sound quality of your voiceovers with ElevenLabs, paving the way for more engaging and professional audio productions. Whether you're narrating an audiobook, creating content for a podcast, or simply experimenting with AI-generated voices, these tips can help you harness the full potential of ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these insights helpful. Be sure to apply these techniques in your next project and watch the magic unfold as you elevate your audio content. Happy creating!